Hello my friend, in this video I am going to show you how we can use a breadboard. So I have my breadboard here, and any breadboard have two kind of holes. The first kind of holes is here, and they are connected to each other by column. I means the first column holes is connected together from this point to this point, and column 2 and the column 2 connect to each other by this way, from here to here, and there is no connectivity between these holes. I mean the first column with two or another kind of holes. So another holes is here. I means these 5 holes: A, B, C, D, and E. These 5 holes is connected to each other by row, and there is no connectivity between them and another holes. So we can use any 5 holes to provide some extra conductivity for our components. There is a divider here, and divider divide holes from each others, so there is no connectivity between them, these holes, these 5 holes, and these holes, and these holes, of course. So if I want to connect an IC to my breadboard, and I put my IC here, because each 5 holes connect to each other, so this IC's pin is connected to another pins, and it's make a problem here. So the divider provide a situation for us that we could put an IC here. Now there is no connectivity between IC's pin, and we can use this IC. Another component that I like to install on my breadboard is 7 segment. 7 segment has the same pins with IC. Sorry, and I could put my 7 segment here and press it. Now I have my 7 segment installed. If I want to join a wire between these pins and, for example, this pin of IC, I use the jumpers. The jumpers have provided a situation that you can have a safe conductivity between your components. So okay, I think it's finished here, and in the next I want to use my solar cell and turn my LED on. So for example, it's a nice example, initiate example for us here. Each LED have 2 pins. Bigger one is positive and another one is negative. So I put my LED here, yeah, it's connected, and my solar cell wires, this one is positive and this one is negative, so I connect positive to positive, and connect negative. So you can see that my LED go on, and if I want to turn my 7 segment on, there's you can use your solar cell with your 7 segment too. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and please take a comment and provide me a situation that make my channel better. Thank you.